First of all, I'm using this biotic cream just to moisturize my skin, and I'm taking a little bit amount of it. Hey baby, do you wanna apply it? And here I'm using VLCC SPF 50. And then I am taking Maybelline Cream Setting Skin Foundation, and I will take it only half pump or one pump, not more than that. What? क्या? दिखा तो दिया, मैंने क्या लिया है? मैंने फाउंडेशन लिया है। मैंने फाउंडेशन लिया है एंड देन मैं इसको अप्लाई कर रही हूँ फिंगर टिप्स की हेल्प से। Now for my lips, I have these two shades. First one is red and second is a kind of pink color. So I use. And then for my cheeks, I'm using this same color. I'm gonna use this for my eyes. This is Makeup Revolution's highlighter, and I'm taking it brown color shade. And then I'm taking this black matte color. And then the last thing I'm going to use is mascara by Lakme Iconic. And I'm going to apply it on my lashes.